Everyday English listening practice. 100 English phrases for daily conversation. Job interview. I look for a new job online. I look for a new job online. Finding a good company takes time. Finding a good company takes time. I have sent my resume by email. I have sent my resume by email. Preparing for an interview is very important. Preparing for an interview is very important. I answer all the questions clearly. I answer all the questions clearly. I have 5 years of experience. I have 5 years of experience. The manager is very kind to me. The manager is very kind to me. Asking about the salary is normal. Asking about the salary is normal. Saying thank you is a polite habit. Saying thank you is a polite habit. I hope I get the job soon. I hope I get the job soon. Daily commute. I leave my house at 8 a.m. I leave my house at 8 a.m. Walking to the bus stop is my morning exercise. Walking to the bus stop is my morning exercise. The bus arrives on time today. The bus arrives on time today. I find a seat near the window. I find a seat near the window. Listening to a podcast makes the ride fun. Listening to a podcast makes the ride fun. I see many people on the way. I see many people on the way. Taking the subway is faster than the bus. Taking the subway is faster than the bus. Driving alone gives me quiet time. Driving alone gives me quiet time. Public transport is good for the city. Public transport is good for the city. Cycling to work is a healthy choice. Cycling to work is a healthy choice. The weather is perfect for a bike ride. The weather is perfect for a bike ride. I walk 2 blocks to my office. I walk 2 blocks to my office. Commuting every day can be tiring. Commuting every day can be tiring. Starting the day early is a good habit. Starting the day early is a good habit. Ordering food. I am going to a fast food restaurant. I am going to a fast food restaurant. I stand in the line. I stand in the line. I want a double cheeseburger. I want a double cheeseburger. Ordering fries is a must for me. Ordering fries is a must for me. I want a cold soda with ice. I want a cold soda with ice. No onions on my burger, please. No onions on my burger, please. Paying with cash is very simple. Paying with cash is very simple. I take my paper bag to the table. I take my paper bag to the table. Eating fresh food makes me happy. Eating fresh food makes me happy. Adding extra ketchup is my favorite thing. Adding extra ketchup is my favorite thing. The burger is hot and delicious. The burger is hot and delicious. Drinking a soda feels very refreshing. Drinking a soda feels very refreshing. Sharing fries with friends is a nice idea. Sharing fries with friends is a nice idea. Cleaning the table is a polite rule. Cleaning the table is a polite rule. Shopping. I go to the mall on Saturday. I go to the mall on Saturday. I see many clothing shops today. I see many clothing shops today. Buying things on sale is a smart choice. Buying things on sale is a smart choice. This shirt looks very nice on me. This shirt looks very nice on me. Trying on clothes takes a lot of time. Trying on clothes takes a lot of time. Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? The shirt fits me very well. The shirt fits me very well. $20 is a good price. $20 is a good price. Using a coupon helps me save money. Using a coupon helps me save money. I put the clothes in a bag. I put the clothes in a bag. Online shopping is also very convenient. Online shopping is also very convenient. Browsing new shops is my hobby. Browsing new shops is my hobby. Comparing prices is always important. Comparing prices is always important. Shopping with friends is more fun. Shopping with friends is more fun. I am happy with my new things. I am happy with my new things. At the doctor. I do not feel well today. I do not feel well today. I go to the doctor's office. I go to the doctor's office. Waiting in the room is a bit boring. Waiting in the room is a bit boring. The nurse calls my name loudly. The nurse calls my name loudly. Checking my temperature is the first task. Checking my temperature is the first task. The doctor listens to my heart. The doctor listens to my heart. Getting a prescription is necessary. Getting a prescription is necessary. I go to the pharmacy nearby. I go to the pharmacy nearby. I have to take pills after breakfast. I have to take pills after breakfast. Drinking warm water helps my throat. Drinking warm water helps my throat. Sleeping 8 hours helps me recover. Sleeping 8 hours helps me recover. I avoid cold drinks for now. I avoid cold drinks for now. Feeling better is a great relief. Feeling better is a great relief. Pet care. I have a dog named Max. I have a dog named Max. Walking him every evening is my favorite part. Walking him every evening is my favorite part. He has soft brown fur. He has soft brown fur. He drinks fresh water every day. He drinks fresh water every day. We go to the park together. We go to the park together. Training my dog is a fun challenge. Training my dog is a fun challenge. He learns new tricks very fast. He learns new tricks very fast. Throwing a ball is a great game. Throwing a ball is a great game. Max bringing the ball back is so cute. Max bringing the ball back is so cute. He barks at the neighbor's cat. He barks at the neighbor's cat. Pet grooming is part of our routine. Pet grooming is part of our routine. Washing my dog is a messy job. Washing my dog is a messy job. He does not like the water. He does not like the water. Drying him with a towel takes time. Drying him with a towel takes time. Playing with my pet relieves my stress. Playing with my pet relieves my stress. He gets a treat for being good. He gets a treat for being good. Directions on the street. I am lost in the big city. I am lost in the big city. I see a police officer nearby. I see a police officer nearby. Asking for help is the best way. Asking for help is the best way. Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the bank? The bank is on your right side. The bank is on your right side. It is across from the shopping mall. It is across from the shopping mall. Going past the library is the way. Going past the library is the way. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Taking a taxi is another option. Taking a taxi is another option. Seeing the big sign is a relief. Seeing the big sign is a relief. Finding my way back is easy now. Finding my way back is easy now. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Your English is getting better every day. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.